Hi everyone, in this video we are finishing a talk about decentralized exchanges inside Kusama ecosystem. And the last question, if you want to deliver your token outside Kusama ecosystem, and it's possible. Okay, let's jump to decentralized application of the Moonbeam and check the functions inside. Okay, let's. Moonbeam, it's a realization of the Ethereum virtual machine or Ethereum blockchain inside Polkadot ecosystem. Moonriver, we can switch to Moonriver. Moonriver, it's especially for Kusama ecosystem. Moonbeam for the Polkadot, Moonriver for Kusama. And they also has a Moonbase. The Moonbase, it's test network for this project. Let's jump to Moonriver, okay, and check the options what we have here. Of course, it's a cross-chain communication that's providing some decentralized exchange, like Karura, Basilisk also providing the parachain bridges. As you can see, there is the token of Akala system, there is Crust Shadow, there is Robonomics, there is USDT tokens that you can send from Karura to Moonriver or from Moonriver to some other spaces. If we are choosing the USDT existing in the Assets Hub, it's existing in Moonriver, and you can find any options for different tokens. Remark is able as also on the Asset Hub and the Moonriver and so on. But one of the interesting option, it's other bridges. What does it mean? Other bridges, it's a connection of the Moonriver or Moonbeam parachain with another one blockchains outside the Polkadot or Kusama ecosystem. They're using different projects to provide this communication, for example, Li-Fi and so on. Previously, I used a lot the multi-chain project, and the multi-chain provide the communication between the Moonriver and Ethereum. I did the transfer Robonomics tokens, but it was compromised. Some vulnerabilities were found inside the multi-chain project, and it was needed to empty all the pools in multi-chain. Here is the similar mechanics exist that multi-chain used for the communication between the different blockchain. As I explained in Karura, there is a pool with the different tokens that exchanging between the two blockchains. And there is one of the most popular function that used from the Moonbeam and Moonriver project. When you need to deliver some tokens from one parachain inside Kusama ecosystem outside, for example, to Ethereum, because there is a lot of tokens that exist in the most part of the blockchains. For example, USDT. USDT exists in Ethereum, in the Polygon, in a lot of different blockchains. It's really crazy number where USDT existed. And when you want to deliver your token in another one blockchain, you can create the bridge between the blockchains, you should make it by your hands, but when it exists, you can just transfer token from one network to another. And in the case of the Robonomics project, they're starting from Ethereum blockchain initially, and after that they're shifting to the Polkadot ecosystem. That's why you need some time to use the bridge between the blockchains inside the Kusama ecosystem.